Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things related to property, finance, and retirement planning. We're here to provide you with the knowledge and tools needed to make informed decisions about your financial future. Our mission is to simplify complex financial concepts, making them accessible and understandable for everyone. Today, we're focusing on a topic that impacts us all: building a retirement plan with minimal risk. Retirement might seem like a distant reality, but the truth is, it's never too early to start planning. The key to a secure retirement is managing risk. This means making smart, informed decisions today that will pay off in the future. Whether you're just starting your career or you're already thinking about retirement, it's important to have a plan in place. So, are you ready to take the first steps towards a secure, risk-free retirement? Buckle up as we dive into the process. First things first, understanding what retirement planning is crucial. Retirement planning in its essence is the process of setting retirement income goals and deciding on the necessary steps to achieve these goals. Think of it as your financial GPS, guiding you towards a retirement lifestyle that you envision for yourself. The need for financial security during retirement cannot be overstated. After all, your retirement years are meant to be enjoyed, not spent worrying about how to cover your next grocery bill or medical expense. This is where a well-structured retirement plan comes into play. It serves as your safety net, ensuring that you have a steady income stream even when you're no longer part of the active workforce. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the concept of retirement planning. It's not just about stashing away a portion of your paycheck into a savings account. While savings are a key component, effective retirement planning involves a more strategic approach to grow your wealth over time. This includes investing in diverse financial instruments, managing your expenses wisely, and taking advantage of tax-saving opportunities. Moreover, retirement planning is not a one-size-fits-all process. It's highly personal and depends on various factors such as your current age, expected retirement age, lifestyle preferences, risk tolerance, and financial goals. For instance, if you aspire to travel the world during your retirement, you'll need to account for these additional expenses in your plan. A well-structured retirement plan also takes into account unexpected events, such as health issues or market downturns. This is why it's crucial to build a plan that's not just robust, but also flexible. Furthermore, it's important to review and adjust your retirement plan regularly to ensure it stays aligned with your evolving needs and market conditions. This way, you can make necessary tweaks and stay on track towards achieving your retirement goals. Remember, a good retirement plan goes beyond just saving. It's about making your money work for you. It's about creating a financial roadmap that allows you to live your retirement years on your own terms, with peace of mind and financial security. Step 1 in building a risk-minimal retirement plan involves assessing your current financial situation. Like a seasoned captain navigating the vast oceans, you need to know exactly where you stand before you plot your course towards the horizon of retirement. The first factor to consider is your income. This isn't just about your salary or wage. It includes other sources of revenue like rental income, dividends from investments, or even a side business. It's important to have a comprehensive view of all your income streams. Next, take a good look at your expenses. How much are you spending on housing, utilities, food, healthcare, and other necessities? Don't forget to include discretionary spending on entertainment, vacations, and hobbies. Knowing where your money goes can uncover opportunities to save more. Now, let's talk about savings. This is the money you've already set aside for retirement. Whether it's in a 401k, an IRA, or a regular savings account, every penny counts. And remember, it's never too late to start saving. Finally, assess your debts. This includes mortgages, car loans, credit card balances, and any other liabilities. Reducing your debt is crucial because it frees up more of your income for savings and investments. To sum it up, understanding your income, expenses, savings, and debts gives you a clear picture of your current financial state. A clear understanding of your finances forms a solid foundation for your retirement plan. Once you've assessed your financial situation, it's time to set your retirement goals. Now, setting retirement goals isn't just about deciding when you want to stop working. It's about envisioning the lifestyle you want to lead during your golden years. Imagine the life you'd love to live. Would you like to travel the world? Or maybe you'd prefer a quiet life in the countryside. Or perhaps you'd want to invest time in hobbies or spend more time with family and friends. All these lifestyle choices have financial implications that should be factored into your retirement goals. Not to forget, You'll also need to consider your routine expenses. This includes everything from groceries to healthcare, and remember, some costs, especially healthcare, tend to rise as we age. So, it's crucial to factor in potential cost increases into your retirement planning. Another key aspect to consider is your desired retirement age. This decision can significantly influence how much you need to save. Retiring early means you'll need a larger nest egg, while retiring later allows more time for your investments to grow. In essence, setting retirement goals involves a blend of personal aspirations and financial realism. It's about balancing what you want with what you can afford. This process may require adjustments and compromise, but it's crucial in creating a retirement plan that's both satisfying and achievable. Remember, your goals should guide your retirement plan, not vice versa. Step 3 involves choosing the right investment vehicles to help you reach your retirement goals. Now let's dive into the world of investment vehicles. Think of these as the different paths you can take to reach your financial destination. Some popular options include stocks, bonds, and real estate. Starting with stocks, these are essentially pieces of companies you can own. When you buy a stock, you're buying a share of a company's success. If the company does well, your stock increases in value. However, there's always a risk that the company might not perform as expected, causing your stock's value to decrease. Despite this, stocks have historically provided high long-term returns, making them a good option for those with a longer time horizon. Moving on to bonds, these are akin to loans you provide to companies or governments. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Bonds are generally considered safer than stocks, albeit with lower potential returns. They can provide a steady stream of income, which can be especially beneficial during retirement. Lastly, there's real estate. This can be in the form of rental properties or real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. Real estate can provide a steady income stream and potential appreciation over time. However, it also comes with its own set of risks, such as property maintenance and market fluctuations. But here's the secret sauce to minimizing risk: diversification. This means spreading your investments across different types of assets. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps to balance out the risks and rewards of different investments. For instance, when one investment is down, another might be up. Remember, each of these investment vehicles has its own risk and reward profile. It's important to choose the ones that align with your retirement goals and risk tolerance. Choosing the right investments is crucial in building a risk-minimal retirement plan. And with that, we've covered step 3 of building your retirement plan. Stay tuned as we continue to navigate this journey towards a secure and comfortable retirement. Building a retirement plan with minimal risk may seem daunting, but with these steps, it becomes manageable. We've spent the last several minutes diving into the essentials of retirement planning, a process that can be simplified into 3 steps: assessing your current financial situation, setting retirement goals, and choosing the right investment vehicles. Each step is a building block, forming a solid foundation for a retirement plan that minimizes risk while maximizing peace of mind. Let's take a moment to recap. Assessing your current financial situation is the starting point, a comprehensive look at where you stand today. It's the raw material you'll use to shape your retirement plan. Next, we discussed setting retirement goals. This is the roadmap to your future, the vision you have for your retirement years. It's not just about determining how much money you'll need, but also about understanding what you want those years to look like. The third step we covered was choosing the right investment vehicles. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's about finding the balance between growth and safety, understanding your tolerance for risk, and selecting investments that align with your goals and comfort level. But remember, building a retirement plan is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires regular check-ins and adjustments as your life and the financial landscape evolve. The importance of planning for retirement and managing risk cannot be overstated. It's about ensuring that the golden years of your life are truly golden, free from financial stress and filled with the opportunities and experiences you've dreamt of. As we conclude, remember that you are not alone in this journey. Resources like HouseLux Estate are here to provide guidance, support, and valuable insights to help you navigate the path to a secure, risk-free retirement. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more informative videos on property, finance, and retirement planning. Here's to a secure, risk-free retirement.